Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. So let's start with the question. So the question is arithmetic slices. Okay, so you have given an integer array is called arithmetic if it contains at least three elements and if the difference between any two consecutive element is the same. Okay, so as you can see, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they have a length of greater than 3 and their difference between the any two element is same. So as you can see, the difference between them is 2. Similarly to, you can see for this case also, this is also one arithmetic slice. Okay, so you have given an integer array nums, you have to return the number of arithmetic sub array of nums. Okay, so let's say, let's take with an example. Okay, so let's take this example. So we have this array 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what we need to do, we need to get a arithmetic slices. And if you can see, like in the if in the question it mentions an example which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so what you can easily see like this some sort of a AP. Okay, because in AP we have a similar difference between any two elements. So as you can see, the difference between them is 2. In this case also 2. Okay, but also the condition is it should be at least greater or equal to 3. Okay, okay, so we need to find out the AP that are greater or equal to 3. So you have given one array and you need to find the sub array which forms the AP and length should be greater than 3 of the sub array length. Okay, so if you can see, this can be a one sub array 1, 2, 3 because this forming a AP and length is also greater than 3. So this will be your one sub array. Okay. Similarly, you can see this is also a possible option 2, 3, 4. Okay. And there is one more option like your AP. This is also one AP 1, 2, 3, 4 and its length is greater than equal to 3. So we can also consider this. So this will be our one more subarray 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see we need to return how many AP uh, of greater than length 3 you can create. So as you can see in this case we are getting output as 3. Okay. So let's understand like how we can approach this question. So if I go with the basically naive approach, what I can easily do, create all subarray. Okay. And after that, uh, check check that subarray is it like the difference between them is equal, like it form a AP or not. Okay, but creating a subarray will cause you like you will do for all the loop, like you will do first loop for going in one direction, then you will divide into two directions, so you will cause a big of n cube. Okay, so as you can see the constraint is 5000 and n cube can't be run here, so we need to optimize it. And let's see how we can optimize it. Okay, and I forgot to explain what is subarray. So subarray is just like you have given one array that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can delete in any order, like you can delete from left or you can delete in any right, but your order should be maintained. So if you can see like 2, 3 can be your one subarray. Similarly, you can say 3, 4 is also. You can also create 1, 2, 3 also. But let's say you to call 2, 4 as a subarray, it is not because you can't delete element in between. Okay, so this can't be possible case. Okay, so let's see how we can optimize our previous approach. Okay, so let's like we have given this array, so let's do one thing. Let's create a new array also. Okay, let's take a DP array. What we will do, we will start from here. Let me create it. Okay, 0, 1, 2. So for the AP or arithmetic slice, the condition should be it should be AP and the length should be greater than equal to 3. Okay, so we will start from here. We will start from here. So as you can see, till this point, the length is basically less than greater than equal to 3. So we'll just update the value here as 0. Okay, we'll move further. So as you can see, this makes a length of 2. which is also less than equal to 3, so we'll not consider it. So we will make it as a 0. Okay. Now let's see at this point. Okay. So now, as you can see, the length is becoming 3, and we will check whether this is AP or not. Okay. So we can easily check, like 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the difference between these elements is same. So this make a AP. So we will consider it and we will just update our value by 1. Okay. Now we'll move further. So we come at here. Okay. So for this case, again, we can easily see like our length is greater than 3. So we will check for this case first. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 4 minus 3 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is also 1. So this is also making your 1 AP. And if you continue with your old AP, basically 1, 2, 3, okay, and you created this new AP 2, 3, 4. But if you can see, this makes also 1, like the difference between these is same, this is same, and this is also same. So this also make a 1 big AP. So for this case, you are getting 2 APs. Okay, so we will consider as 2. So we will do, like, we will take this as 1 value and we'll do with the previous value plus 1. Okay, so it will be 2. Okay, now you need to calculate like how many APs are there. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3. If we sum this DP array, we will get a sum as 3. So this is our final output. Let's see with another example. Okay, so let's see this example. Okay, so as you know, our condition will be like it should be AP and your length should be greater than equal to 3. Okay, so we will start from here and we can easily see the length is only 1, so we will not consider it. We will mark as 0. Okay, we'll move further. We will come at here. For this case, it become 2 length. We will not consider, so we will mark it as 0. Now we'll move further. Okay, now as you can see, our length become 3. Okay, so what we will check? We will check the difference between them. So 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the difference is not same. So that means this is not forming a AP. We will not consider it. We'll make it as 0. We'll increase this pointer. So now we'll check for first this 3 element, basically 3, 5, 7. Okay. So we will consider it 7 minus 5, difference is 2. 5 minus 3, difference is 2. Okay. The difference between these 3 elements is 2. So we can consider this as a AP and we will add it in a TP. Okay. We will not able to take the long this 2, 3, 5, 7 because the difference is not same. Okay. We'll move further. Now we'll check for this. So first we will compare this 9, 7, 5. Okay. So 9 minus 7 is 2 and 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so we got 1 AP, but if you can see, like 7 minus 5 is 2 also, and 5 minus 3 is also 2, so we can take this long AP also. Okay, so what we will do, we will like this is for 1, this you make a 1 API and you will add your previous API because your previous AP is becoming large now. Okay, so you can take this 3, 5, 7, 9 also, and you already have 3, 5, 7, so that's why it become 2. So 1 for this, and you will do plus 1 from previous value, so it will become 2. Now we'll increase our pointer. We come here, we again compare the 3 elements. So 11 minus 9 is 2 and 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so this form your 1. Okay, this let's write down, this make your 1 AP. Now let's check for these two also. Can they become the same, a longer AP? Okay, let's see for this. So this is 9, 5, 7. So as you can see, this is also giving the same difference. So what we will do, this become 1 and we will just add the DP of previous value. So this will be 3. So as you can see, at this point we have 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay, now we'll increase our pointer. So we'll come here. So we will start from here. Okay. So we will check 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11 is 4 and 11 minus 9 is 2. So the difference between these three elements is not same. So we will not like if this is not same, then the longer will also be not same. So we will mark this as only a 0. We'll increase our pointer. We'll come at here. So now we will check for this. 17 minus 15 is 2 and 15 minus 4, 11 is 4. So this is also not same. So we will mark it as 0. We'll increase our pointer. We'll come here. We will check for 19 minus 17 is 2 and 17 minus 15 is also 2. So as you can see, this make one AP, and with previous we don't have any AP, so that's why we will do 1. Okay, so if we do the sum of this, so this will be 1 plus 2, which is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and plus 1 7. So we'll get as the output as 7. Okay, so let's write the code for this. Okay, so let's take the input array in a length variable. First condition, like if your n is less than 3, you don't need to check anything, you just return 0. Okay, now what we need a DP array which will be of the same length, and we'll take one answer variable to do the sum of the value. So instead of going again a loop, we will just update our answer also. Now we will start from second index, because your 0th index and 1 index is automatically 0. So we will start from second. We'll go to the end of the array. So what we need to check, if your nums of I minus nums of I minus 1 is equal to nums of I minus 1 minus nums of I minus 2. If the difference between these three elements is same, then what you have to do, you have to update your DP of current DP with previous value plus 1. Because as you can see in this case, what we are doing is there's like 3 is updating by getting this 7 9 11 as 1 AP, and we are doing the plus 2 in this case. So 1 plus 2 give us 3. Okay, so we will do plus 1, and we'll update our answer also. So answer equal to DP of I. So we just return your answer. Okay, let's run the code. So as you can see, this is accepted. Let's submit it. So this is also submitted. So, and the time complexity for this, you are doing just only a one loop. So for this, you will cause big of n, and the space complexity, I'm creating a new DP array. So order of n for the space also. Okay. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video.